Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your KWIK Mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and in the Google search bar search for KWIK Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen or the second one according to your account in KWIK Mortgage. Now you can see that there is login portal where you can write down your email, your password and click sign in. So go ahead and write down your email, your password and click sign in. Then you can successfully sign into your KWIK Mortgage account. If you have forgotten your password or email, click on trouble signing in, write down your email, send link, and then you can retrieve back your account or change your password accordingly. If you don't have a KWIK Mortgage account, click sign up, press continue, write down your personal details, and then you can create an account for yourself. This was a video on how you can log into your KWIK Mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.